Here we'll discuss algebraic expressions. So first, let's set up some definitions. The first will be that of a variable. Variables are letters that we use to represent numbers. Numbers. These can be numbers like x, y, z, or maybe r and s. A constant, on the other hand, is a fixed number. So variables can change, whereas constants are fixed. These are numbers that we are familiar with. An actual algebraic expression which is what we're really going to be looking at. These are constants and variables. That are combined using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So some examples would be something like x minus 5, or 9 plus y over 7, or 4x plus 9y. So these are all algebraic expressions. We want to do some examples. We're going to let x be 4 and y be negative 2, and we're going to evaluate some things. So when we evaluate, all we do is substitute in. We know that x is 4, so this is 3 times 4, and y is negative 2, so plus negative 2. 3 times 4 is 12, minus 2 gives us 10. Our second one, we know that x is 4 and y is negative 2. So when we multiply, we get 16. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, minus 9. Adding, this is 20 minus 9, which gives us a value of 11. A couple more examples. Here we have 2 times 2 times x, which is 4, plus 4 times y, which is negative 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So we have 2 times 0, which is 0. Our final one, 3 times x, which is 4, plus 3 times y, which is negative 2, over 5. So this is 12 minus 6 over 5, which is 6 over 5. The next thing we'll look at here is the domain. So the domain is the set of all values that the variable may assume. And there could be all kinds of restrictions on variables. One of the big ones to watch out for is 0 on the bottom of a fraction. There are other things to watch out for, but this is kind of the most obvious one that we should watch out for. For example, 5 over 2 minus x. So we know that the denominator cannot be equal to 0. And we know that that happens exactly when x is 2. Because if we stick it in, we see that 2 minus 2 is 0. So the domain here would be all numbers except 2. Another example, we know the formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So what is the domain of r? What numbers could possibly work for this radius? Well, in a circle, we know that the radius is half the length of the diameter. It's from the center to the outside border. And so we know we're measuring a distance here. So in particular, it cannot be negative. So here the domain will be all positive numbers, because the negative number wouldn't make sense here.